Now I'm going to replace the battery in my Toyota key. First thing I do is pop this open. And then the inside piece comes out. And then the inside piece also pops open. And once the inside piece is open, you can pry here and the battery pops out. Now my battery is a CR 2016. And then there's a trick to putting it back together. I gotta kind of push it into these brass deals before I can get the other side to go down. All right, now I can snap it back together. Put that back in the key, snap the key back together, and it's all done in 1 minute.